a fallen cockatoo. Here goes ours. Now, his name is Palmer, appropriately named. And fallen cockatoos are found only in a small portion of Australia and New Guinea. And look at that beautiful crest of feathers on the top of his head and those rosy red cheeks. Here he comes. All right, you want to take a bow? Nice job. Now, Palmer comes to us not only to be an ambassador for the World Parrot Trust, but for all parrots out there. You know, almost every single species of parrot is either threatened or in danger of extinction in the wild. And that's due to things like habitat loss and collection for the pet trade. But those are two things the World Parrot Trust is working really hard to help prevent. Now, you know, folks, we as humans are the only species on this planet with the ability to help protect it. And it just takes really simple things like conserving, recycling, supporting conservation programs, even becoming a member of the Dallas Zoo. All those things can make a big difference helping to save this planet for all the beautiful creatures that live here with us. Like these beautiful macaws that just made their way down the stage. Right there we've got a couple of blue-throated macaws. Back there's some red-fronted macaws. Also joining us in the water, we've got a couple of black-footed penguins that'll be making their way out of the water in just a second. Now, I've heard it said once before that we have not inherited this planet from our parents. We're simply borrowing it from our children. And it's up to all of us to do our part to help keep it around for all our future generations to enjoy. Thank you guys so much for coming to our show today. You've been a wonderful audience. Thank you very much.
Applause.
Thank you. Now, if you feel inspired and want to make a donation, I'll have that raven out in just a moment. And feel free to come on down and see any of these schoolbirds up close. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye, guys.
Yeah, she loves me. You have to take a picture with me. I want to make a donation because I want to see my bird, beautiful bird.